the channel, and today we are testing out a Pringle advent calendar and a Now advent calendar. Everyone's doing well. There's so much so many food videos I want to bring out before Christmas, and it's just there's so much to do and so much to edit as well, so hopefully I get everything out before Christmas, or this is going to seem like really weird to start the new year off. But I have a Now advent calendar, and I also have a Pringles advent calendar too to open today, and I also have a body mist one over there, but that's going to be in a separate video. So if you like the idea of that, and that one's not out, and that video is not out before this one, then please subscribe. So this is a Now one. I got this for £3 and a very good price. I don't know this brand. I don't know anything. So I'm just gonna start opening up doors. I'm not gonna do it like it's gonna take too long if I do it in order. So I'm just gonna start trying to open some doors, and we do it that way. So the door 14 has a clear one. These are super tiny. These are actually really cute. I don't know if I'm actually going to use any of these though, because I use gel nails, so I don't think these are going to come in handy to me at all. So door number 24, it has this pink, a very baby pink, and not my colour at all, but very, very nice. Door 17, I have another pink. Is that exactly? No, a very, very different colour. You can just see on the camera, so you can tell how similar they are. Next is door number 3. Right, some of these are actually really hard to get out. So this one is an orange colour. It's very, very pretty. So very, very nice. I just want to say this is a 24 door one. So this is actually for each day of the holiday season. Makes it a bit easier. I'm actually going to take out the backing. So the next one we have is a red one. It actually looks very pretty. Next up is a purple one. Very, very nice again. I actually really like all these colours. It's just a shame because I don't do like normal nail varnish. I should have thought about this. I was going to just take out these just to show you. This advent calendar looks old. I mean, that one dried up. That has none in that at all. There's literally, I'm just going to open it up just to show you. See? And it doesn't even come out properly. This, oh god, that looks disgusting. There's like hair and stuff in that. Okay, ew. And again, that one has nothing in it at all. They're horrible colours anyway, so why would I? But these ones look fine, and they look exactly the same colour as well. I'm not even joking you. Can you tell the difference? Because I certainly can't. Okay, so that's not. It was off to a great start, and now it's just. There's two colours which look exactly the same again, may I add, and there's no product in there. So one's a shimmer and one is just a normal grey. I actually kind of want to open up one, because I've opened up a bad one. Okay, the formula seems great. It's just those two just did not seem to work. And there's also a shimmer, and I love like shimmery nail varnish. Is one of my favourite, like glittery, shiny or shimmery. That's my kind of thing. I just had another speed run of another 3 colours. These are completely fine. I see nothing wrong with them at all. It just seemed very repetitive because some of these colours look or have similar shades. I mean, I just put these 3 pinks together. They are different, certainly, but there's not much difference in them at all. Actually, now I'm popping out another 3 colours. These are actually beautiful. I love all of them. They're all very shimmery. That silver, definitely. I love it. I actually want to open up a shimmer. I just want to see what it looks like. Oh wow, yeah, that looks great. I'm in love with that. I do like that colour actually. Okay, restored my faith a little bit. Then we have like the last row again. I'm just going to show you these two again because these are exactly the same colours again. Like, you can't tell me that these are different. I mean, it does look slightly different on there, I mean, sure, but to the eye, these look exactly the same. So I've just popped out the last few colours here. There's a very interesting one that I wanted to show you, which it does actually look really nice. This is a purple, but it has a glitter in it, which is very different. If all of these were like this, then I'll be very, very impressed, but they're not. And then we have some glitters. Oh, very lovely. My favourite is definitely silver. Always have a thing for silver jewellery and just silver in general. But other than that, that's the first advent calendar. So my thoughts on this, it was $3.99, so I can't really say much at all. I mean, I'd much rather spend $3.99 and get chocolate out of it. I mean, for 2 days they're exactly the same colour and there's nothing in it. It's just, that is so crap and definitely not worth the money. So maybe a thumbs down. If it's a younger girl saying let's just get into like makeup and that, this would be perfect, you know. They can actually like start testing out colours that they like and everything like that. But for me, especially for someone who does gels, I mean, I did it just to see what's in there and it was cheap, but for anyone older than 15, don't get it. So next up, I'm going to the more funner one, and it's the Pringles one. So I'm a bit about it. Not only was this, I think it was $9.99, which is very expensive for Pringles, especially the smaller packs, because in Primark you can get 3 for £1. It only has 12 days as well. So understandable, Pringles are really big, so to have a 24-day calendar, you are thinking of a very big one, but they could have done it like double-sided, so just have it a bit thicker, but no. So this is the calendar. It is big already, so we're just going to go through each day and see what we get. So the first day, it's sour cream and chive, no, sour cream and onion, and that's that. I think there's only going to be 4 flavours, which I think is going to be the sour cream, the salt and vinegar, the red is salted, and the barbecue. So, actually saying that, day 5 is next to this, and I can see another green one. I think, saying that, they're all different. So this one is sour cream, this one I think is red onion, red is salted, and then the next 2 is either a row of salt and vinegar or a row of red is salted. So next door, number 2, red is salted. See, they've all just put it in and just mixed up the numbers. I can't get it out. Got it out. Next is number 3 up here. It's gonna be another sour cream. See, told you. These are really difficult to get out. Damn. Right. Day number 4. Right, we haven't opened this layer. There's either going to be salt and vinegar. Yeah, salt and vinegar or barbecue. Salt and vinegar, cool. Salt and vinegar is actually one of my favourite flavour of Pringles, and I'm happy it's in a smaller tub because when it's the large tubs, like, I start eating it and then the pack is gone. So that's good. Next number is number 5, so this is going to be the last of the sour creams. So all the sour creams are out. That's actually my least favourite flavour. To actually start off with that as well is actually really sad. Next up is number 6, which I think is going to be the barbecue. It is! Okay, cool. Definitely the barbecue and the salt and vinegar, they are my favourite Pringle flavours. So next up, which door did we just open? Number 6. We're now going to number 7. Another red is salted one. I really like this. I actually love Pringles so much. This is actually just a nice thing to open every day. Unfortunately, it is only 12, so that is sad, but oh well. So, which door did we just open? Because I started talking and I've lost count. So, number 8, I think is the next one. We have salted vinegar. The next number is number 9. Yay! Another one. This advent calendar is getting ripped to shreds. So, next one is going to be number 10, which is just above. Another salt and vinegar. So yeah, it's only 4 flavours in this whole advent calendar, which is fine. I mean, I don't really have many Pringle flavours, do they? Number 11, which is another barbecue, which is amazing. And then we have the last one. So they saved the boring one for the last day, which is plain. I would hope that for the last day they do like a random flavour or something. So they did like, no, maybe like paprika, because that's one, isn't it? And or just they do like the pizza ones and the burger ones now. Where you put that at number 12? That could just be like the mystery one. But you know, there's probably a lot of money to invest, and you know, it is only 12 days. But no, I love that. I mean, except for the sour cream and onion. I mean, I don't like that flavour at all, but I do like the barbecue ones and the salt and vinegar ones a lot. So my lunch is sorted for the next 2 weeks, and not much to say. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I know it's a bit long and maybe a bit boring, especially for the nail varnishes, because they were. But if you liked that, the thing just fell. So if you did like that, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. It's only a small channel at the moment, but I hope to grow and show and have more people like watching me. It'd be great. I mean, I would just like to expand this family to be as big as possible. And yeah, but other than that, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. So bye, guys.